Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more cooking recipes. Today, we're diving into the rich, flavorful world of Indonesian cuisine. I'm going to show you how to make beef rendang, a slow-cooked, tender, and incredibly aromatic dish that's perfect for impressing your family or friends. Let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. For the spice paste, you'll need 5 to 6 shallots, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger, 2 inches of galangal. If you can't find galangal, extra ginger works too. 3 to 4 red chilies, adjust to your spice level, 1 stalk of lemongrass. For the rendang itself, you'll need 1 kilogram 2.2 pounds of beef, chuck or brisket works great, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, 2 cups of coconut cream, 2 turmeric leaves, optional, but adds amazing flavor, 4 kaffir lime leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 star anise, 5 cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar or brown sugar, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Got everything? Let's move on to the prep. Start by peeling and chopping the shallots, garlic, ginger, and galangal. Then, slice the lemongrass and remove the outer layer. Throw all these into a blender or food processor with the chilies and blend until you get a smooth paste. If it's too dry, add a splash of water to help it along. While that's blending, let's cut the beef into bite-sized cubes. Rendang is all about slow cooking, so don't worry if the pieces are a little chunky. They'll soften up beautifully. Now, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the spice paste and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it's fragrant and the oil starts to separate. This is where all the magic begins. Next, toss in the cinnamon stick, star anise, and cardamom pods. Stir everything together for another minute to release those warm, aromatic flavors. Now, add the beef cubes and stir them into the spice paste until they're well coated. Let them cook for about 5 minutes to sear the outside. Then, pour in the coconut milk and coconut cream. Stir everything together and bring it to a gentle simmer. Once it's simmering, add the kaffir lime leaves, turmeric leaves, and tamarind paste. These ingredients add a tangy, citrusy depth to the dish. Finally, sprinkle in the palm sugar and a pinch of salt. Give it a good stir. Now, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Stir it occasionally to prevent sticking, and as it cooks, you'll notice the sauce thickening and the beef becoming incredibly tender. Patience is key here. The longer it cooks, the richer and more flavorful it becomes. You'll know it's done when the sauce has reduced to a thick, dark paste and the beef is melt in your mouth tender. Once it's ready, turn off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. Then, serve it with steamed rice, some fresh cucumber slices, and a sprinkle of fried shallots for extra crunch. Trust me, this is comfort food at its finest. Look at that! Tender, flavorful, and packed with layers of spice. This beef rendang is worth every minute of cooking time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Let me know in the comments if you try this beef rendang. I'd love to hear how it turns out. Until next time, happy cooking!